I've been working officially as a learning disability nurse for the last 4 months because I've just qualified from the University of Hertfordshire. Yeah. I remember when I started to have an interest in doing health and social care, and I would go online typing women in healthcare who have inspired the world, and the first person who will always appear would be Florence Nightingale, and I read about her, and she was so inspiring, and she's the one who truly inspired me to willing to become a nurse. I'm working in an inpatient ward for assessment and treatment for people with learning disabilities who may have a diagnosis of a mental health problem or sometimes physical health and behavior that may challenge others. I like the opportunities of being there for them and caring for them, because it's something that I didn't know in the past, that people with learning disabilities were so vulnerable to our world, and they face so many injustices that learning disabilities nurses have that opportunity to reduce the level of injustices that they face, and it's what really motivates me to come into the course. Yeah. Anything is possible, and that if you work hard for it, you can achieve it. And since I started my learning disability nursing field, I came to realize that my own issues were nothing, that people are more in need of us in the world, and people with learning disabilities are definitely the one we have to focus on. I would say, if you are interested in nursing, definitely apply for it. Perhaps you want to support people in the communities and you want to reduce inequality. Think about coming into nursing. It's the best professions, and I'm sure you will be able to change people's lives.